Hey everyone, it's Sierra. I'm in the student center currently, but before we get the video started, make sure that you guys click the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you guys never miss a video, and we're gonna get right into this vlog. Hey guys, it's Sierra. So I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown of everything that's happened. I had a 10 o'clock, but they didn't show up, so we left at like 10:20. And so I'm gonna head to the student center to just do some work. I don't really have anything to do since it's the first day. And I'm gonna give you guys a little outfit of the day. I have a get ready with me coming soon on like my makeup, and then a tutorial on my hair coming soon. I live on the 3rd floor. We have 4 flights and there's no elevator. I'm whispering because people are sleeping. This is from Zara. And I'm wearing a black turtleneck underneath. These are from Fashion Nova and these are from TJ Maxx. Yeah, I'm gonna head to the student center and do something, and then I'm meeting a friend there, and then I have a class at 12. Okay, so I just got to the student center. I think I'm going to edit a video because I just have free time and I don't have any work. So hopefully this goes well, and I'm gonna email my teacher. Okay, I just got back from class. So I had psychology. It was a 12 to 12:50, and we got let out at like 12:30 because it was the first day. She was just going over the syllabus and things like that. My feet hurt so bad, but I'm meeting a friend for lunch at like 1:15, and so I came to my room just to rest my feet, and I edited a video in between classes today, and so I edited a video in between classes today, so I'm gonna export it and upload it right now and charge my computer a bit. And then later on today, I'm gonna go to Walmart with 2 of my really good friends, Jewel and Kayla. I might vlog lunch and stuff with my friends, lunch and a Walmart trip with my friends, but like I don't want to put them on here if they don't want to be on here. And after that, then we're gonna go work out, which I will definitely vlog. I have first day of I look so short in the mirror right now. Oh my gosh, compared to with the heels. I have like a short torso and short legs. I'm just like a short girl. And so yeah, the classes were really good. I'm really excited for both of them. Well, the first teacher didn't show up, but I emailed him, and so he sent an email back saying that he was at the wrong class because they changed the location, so he said he's going to be there on Wednesday. So I ended up changing my shoes to these because my feet were hurting so bad. But my friend's at the calf. So, oh, these feel so much better. They're like soft at the bottom. I'm going to show you guys the stairs we have to go down. We do have good light in the hallway, I will say. Okay, I just got back from lunch. The caf closes at 2, but We just left and it's like 2:25. I had like half a bowl of stir fry with like vegetables. So I'm gonna go to Walmart in like an hour. We're gonna meet there at 3:47. It is literally 5:47. I'm gonna catch the shuttle. We're all gonna meet there because it's just, the other one was late and I didn't even end up getting up, but I'm up now. So yeah, it's really cold though. And I don't have any coats, so. Okay, I had to hit the people with the outfit change. I'm on my way to the gym right now. I just did like a quick warm up in my room for like 15 minutes. So we went to Walmart and it was honestly such a quick trip that like, it wasn't even like worth vlogging. And so we ran there and went back to my room, changed, did a quick warm up. Now I'm going to work out with my friend Kia, who I went to lunch with earlier today. And yeah, productive day with only 2 classes. Tomorrow I have 4 classes. Okay, so I just finished the workout. I did 25 minutes on the bike, 15 minutes on the runner, and like 10 minutes on the treadmill. And then I did a Pilates workout for legs and butt. So it's a pretty good workout. On my way back to my dorm right now. It's so cold. I'm going to mainly do like cardio today because right now I'm doing a cut. But yeah, you know, late night walks back to the dorm. Okay, I just ate dinner. I just had oatmeal for after my workout. And that completes the first official day of classes, second semester freshman year. And that means that completes this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you guys never miss a video, because I upload videos every single Sunday. And I will see you guys next week.